What happens when great intelligence meets unstoppable power?
Meet the iPhone 17, Apple's well-rounded flagship for 2025. It's designed to offer a premium experience without pushing the price too high. With an aerospace-grade aluminum frame and ceramic shield front glass, it feels solid in the hand. Weighing 174 grams and measuring 146.6 by 71.5 by 7.8 millimeters. The phone features a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion technology, enabling a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The display delivers up to 2000 nits of peak brightness, making HDR content pop and providing clear visibility even under bright sunlight. The iPhone 17 has a dual camera system, consisting of a 48-megapixel wide sensor and cinematic mode bring creative possibilities to your fingertips. On the front, it features a 12-megapixel true-depth camera with improved low-light performance and support for Face ID. This front camera enables portrait mode, night mode selfies, and 4K Dolby Vision HDR video recording, making your selfies and video calls crisp and vibrant. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 runs on Apple's A19 chip, built on a 3nm process. This chip delivers fast and efficient performance and resource-heavy apps with ease. It's paired with 8GB of RAM, which keeps everything running smoothly and allows you to switch between apps without hiccups. Battery life is solid, thanks to a 3692 mAh cell that supports up to 22 hours of video playback. It also supports 20-watt wired fast charging and 15-watt MagSafe wireless charging. In terms of connectivity, the iPhone 17 supports sub-6 GHz 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.4. It also includes Apple's ultra-wideband chip for precise location tracking. Storage options start at 128 GB, going all the way up to 1 TB, catering to users with varying space requirements. Introducing the iPhone Air, Apple's lightest and most portable flagship in 2025. It stands out with its aerospace-grade titanium frame, making it incredibly strong yet ultra-light. Weighing just 165 grams and measuring 147.6 by 72.1 by 7.5 millimeters. The Air features a slightly larger 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion technology and a 120 Hz refresh rate, with peak brightness reaching 2500 nits. Unlike the iPhone 17, the Air features a single 48-megapixel wide camera sensor. While it lacks a secondary lens, it benefits from Apple's computational photography advancements like Deep Fusion and Smart HDR5. The front-facing camera, megapixel true-depth sensor, offering advanced computational photography features such as night mode and Deep Fusion. Powered by the A19 Pro chip, built on a 3nm process, the iPhone Air delivers high-end performance with improved power efficiency. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, it's capable of handling intense multitasking, gaming, and productivity apps without slowing down. The battery life is impressive for a device this light, thanks to a 2900 mAh battery optimized for efficiency. It offers up to 27 hours of video playback and supports 20-watt wired fast charging and 15-watt MagSafe wireless charging, giving you flexibility to recharge quickly. Connectivity includes sub-6 GHz 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, and ultra-wideband chip for precise spatial awareness. Storage options start at 128 GB and go up to 1 TB, catering to various storage needs. Introducing the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple's top-tier flagship for 2025. Designed for users who demand the best in every aspect. It features a premium aerospace-grade titanium frame, ceramic shield front, and a textured matte glass back for enhanced grip and style. Weighing 206 grams and measuring 160.8 by 78.1 by 7.7 millimeters. The iPhone 17 Pro sports a 6.7-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with an adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate, which intelligently adjusts to save power. With a peak brightness of 3000 nits, it's one of the brightest displays ever on a smartphone, making HDR content truly breathtaking and visibility excellent in all lighting conditions. Powered by the A19 Pro chip, built on an advanced 3nm process, delivering industry-leading performance and energy efficiency, paired with 12 GB of RAM and a 16-core neural engine. It handles the most demanding apps, gaming, and AI workloads with ease. The iPhone 17 Pro has a versatile triple camera system, a 48-megapixel wide sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a periscope telephoto lens offering up to 6x optical zoom. These cameras enable professional-level photography and videography, including macro shots, night mode, and cinematic video recording. The front camera is a sensor with enhanced low-light capabilities in autofocus, delivering sharper selfies and better Face ID performance. It supports advanced features like portrait mode, night mode, and 4K Dolby Vision HDR video recording for professional quality front-facing videos. With a large 4252 mAh battery, the iPhone 17 Pro delivers up to 33 hours of video playback. It supports fast wired charging up to 40 watts and MagSafe wireless charging up to 25 watts, allowing you to recharge quickly and efficiently. Connectivity features include sub-6 GHz and mmWave 5G support for ultra-fast wireless data, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, ultra-wideband, and USB 3.0 speeds for fast data transfer. Storage options start at 256 GB and go all the way up to 2 TB. Ideal for professionals and power users. Let's dive into a detailed technical comparison between the iPhone 17, iPhone Air, and iPhone 17 Pro, three flagship devices from Apple designed for different users and needs. If you're a student or everyday user seeking great performance, a solid camera, and balanced battery life at a reasonable price, the iPhone 17 is your best bet. For travelers and minimalists who want a premium, lightweight phone with great performance and solid battery life, the iPhone Air is the perfect companion. And if you're a gamer, content creator, or business professional who demands the highest performance, top-tier camera capabilities, and longest battery life, the iPhone 17 Pro is designed just for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Please subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.